Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So somehow the cyclone and the rain has relented thus far. I have no idea what's going to happen henceforth, but it's about noon. It's not raining. It was sunny some time back, so that's pretty good. Some of you have requested that you want to see some more vegetarian places. Some of you have said that you want to see some breakfast places. Some of you have said that you want South Indian places. So what I've thought of doing is combining all three and ordering from one of the finest places for South Indian in Kolkata, Jyoti Vihar. Thank you. I have my favorite breakfast over here. So I have some vade, chutney, idli, my favorite masala dosa with ghee, as well as some piping hot sambar. Let's get kicking in right here. So I'll start off with these idlis. These are so soft. Now think about Jyoti Vihar, which I must tell you even before I take my first bite. This is one of the most popular South Indian joints in Calcutta, a legendary place. If you want to gauge on their legendary, you would know that most of the times by 3 o'clock or by 5 o'clock, at least that's what my memory serves me, they are finished. So you won't find them available for dinner. That's what used to be the thing 3-4 years back. Let me know if it has been updated. Anyone who is a fan of Jyoti Vihar, who is actually trying out this place recently as well, just let me know if you still don't get it at dinner or are they available for dinner now. That's my first bite. The first basic difference I'll tell you, most of the places which serve chutney, they don't serve the authentic chutney. It's normally very runny, filled with water. It's diluted. But the chutney which they give over here is so thick, as you can see. It's sticking onto the plate. Even if you're tilting it, it's not falling off. It's not runny. That is a sign of a good chutney. Idli too, it could have been a little more hot. I would have preferred it that way. It's a little cold, but these are your authentic idlis. Next up, I'll show you the vada. It's not very oily, as you can see. It's got these chilies inside to give it a little punch. Wow. This is so light. Normally when you find vades, they are overdone, over-fried, very oily. But this one is very light, so you won't feel the bloatedness. Let's have a little bit of these sambar. It's pretty mild. Normally sambars in a lot of places make it very spicy, but this one is pretty mild and easy on the stomach. Next up, I'll be trying out my favorite masala dosa. I'll just break it open from in between. It's not very crisp. So if you're a fan of paper masala dosas, you can opt for that. There is an option, but I've gone for the normal, regular masala dosa with ghee. They've brushed it with some ghee on top. This is my bite. I think mildness is the key word at Jyoti Vihar. All the items which you find over here, they're very easy to go on your stomach. You won't feel very bloated or very filled up. It's pretty easy on your stomach. So for regular eaters, if you're looking for breakfast, I mean, of course we Indians, we love puri, sabzi, kachori, aloo paratha, etc. Those are very healthy. Those are very heavy and rich. And just to complement that, at the other end of the spectrum, you have breakfasts like these, which without compromising on the deliciousness factor, they actually are very easy to go on your stomach. Letting you know the prices, the vadas are priced at 50 rupees a piece. The idlis are priced at 50 rupees a piece again. And the ghee masala dosa is at 110 rupees. All of this is exclusive of taxes. Most probably you won't find any discounts at this restaurant because I don't think they believe in it. Total it cost me around 353 rupees, I think. Yeah. So that was how my experience was today. Always Jyoti Vihar is a bankable option. It was today as well. Just that someone who is like me, who has tried Jyoti Vihar years back, sitting there dining in, I think the quality has somehow gone down a couple of notches. Still, they were so good that even after a couple of notches down, they're still good and better than a lot of places. But recently, there have been a lot of good places which has come up. I can name Banana Leaf, I can name Chennai Square, which is one of my favorites. So I think Jyoti Vihar, if it could be a one-off, but in case they have gone down slightly, those who are regulars, they'd be able to say better, let me know. But I feel that they need to just, up their game a little bit in order to maintain the class and the standard which they've set for themselves. So they'll only be competing with themselves. So I think that's one place where they can work out a little bit. Other than that, I think three things have been ticked off my list. So that's really good. A couple of exciting videos will be coming up soon, so you can stay tuned for that. I hope all of you are going to be safe after today, because it's pretty cloudy, it's pretty overcast, and the skies look ominous. So we cannot rule out anything given the circumstances. So I hope all of you are going to be safe. Until next time, this is myself wrapping up.